Hi guys, hi family. Good afternoon. Please, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create 3D images, like how these images like this and like this. So let's venture into the tutorial. Please, you type in Beam Image Creator like this. Wait for some time. It will come this way. You click in the Beam uh, Image Creator from Microsoft Designer. You click on it and wait for some time. To come this way, like this. So you put, you write your prompt in this search box. Now you get the desired image that you are searching for. So this is our prompt. This is our text that we are turning to an image. So you click on create and wait for some time. It is generating the images. It is generating the images. It's generating the images. So just wait for some time. You have your image down. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel. So I'm highly grateful for thanking all those people who is part of this achievement. Ropinga is 2 million subscribers now. Ropinga is 2 million subscribers now. So I'm highly thankful to your support, my family. So this is what I had. So let me try. You can also change the name and put